三藩市田德隆區有3000幾個兒童居住喺裏邊，咁係市內其中一個兒童人口最為集中嘅社區。咁而家田德隆區嘅小朋友呢，就會有一個全新嘅遊樂場。黃恩光報道。
3、2、1。
位於 Ellis 街及 Hyde 街嘅田德隆中心兒童遊樂場有超過30年歷史，係附近托兒中心嘅小朋友經常嚟玩嘅地方。遊樂場日久失修，需要翻新，耗資400萬蚊嘅工程即將展開，經費嚟自政府同埋私人捐款。新嘅遊樂場以大自然為主題，有花草樹木，安全亦都係首要嘅考慮。
And the way we are designing the space will create a buffer for small kids. We'll put the play area a little bit further away from the street. But we have so many community partners here that all play a role in keeping this space safe.
貝兒兒童服務喺田德隆區有兒童中心。
We keep our eyes open. We have 2 centers within a couple of blocks, and sometimes it's trickier than others. It seems to be improving, and kids are resilient, and we protect them the way they need to be protected. But it's hard to live in a city, but they're doing a great job.
Our police, we are working every single day to make sure our streets are safe, that they are clean, that they are healthy environments for our children, because these 6 kids and all the other ones deserve the world, and we are going to do our best to give it to them.
田德隆康樂中心遊樂場施工期間會暫時關閉，預料明年中可以重新開放。26台記者黃恩光報導。